Looking for bedding that combines timeless style with lasting comfort? The King Charles stone-washed cotton Sham brings historic Charleston's elegant heritage right into your bedroom. With its rolling arches, double diamonds, and scrolling vine details, this Sham isn't just a pillow cover, it's a statement piece that elevates your space effortlessly. What makes the King Charles Sham stand out? It's crafted from 100% premium cotton that's been stone-washed to deliver a soft, luxurious feel without sacrificing durability. The fabric's generous weight means it holds its shape and texture wash after wash. Sized at 20 inches by 36 inches, it fits true to size and features a decorative 1.5-inch flange for a refined finish. Plus, it's machine washable on cold with tumble dry low instructions, making care simple and convenient. I added this Sham to my guest bedroom, pairing it with the matching matelasse pillows and bedspread. The contrast between the crisp white fabric and my deep navy walls instantly made the room feel inviting and cozy. The subtle, intricate design on the Sham and pillows adds a layer of sophistication without overwhelming the space. The material feels substantial and high quality, exactly what you want when investing in bedding that lasts. If you're someone who appreciates heritage-inspired design with modern practicality, this Sham delivers. It's more than just a decorative pillow cover, it's a piece that reflects craftsmanship from 18th century England, interpreted through Charleston's rich artistic history. Whether you're refreshing your guest room or upgrading your own, the King Charles Sham offers a classic look with everyday ease. Worth a look if you want bedding that balances style, softness, and durability. The King Charles Sham's stone-washed cotton fabric feels amazing against your skin, while its detailed design enhances your room's character. Try it when you're ready to bring a touch of historic charm and premium quality into your home. Ready to upgrade your bedding with a piece that blends classic elegance and practical comfort? The King Charles stone-washed cotton Sham is waiting to transform your space. Experience the difference that premium craftsmanship and thoughtful design can make. Your bedroom deserves it.